Well, good morning, good afternoon, HTM class. Can you believe that it is November already? This semester seems to be flying by, and I'm really excited about this week's topic, which is going to be on recreation. So something that I think that COVID has put in the forefront of all of our minds, and whether you prefer the quietness of nature or the screams of roller coasters, certainly these times have taught us that it's important to recharge and reflect, and a lot of people do it in a lot of different ways. And so this week's recreation and clubs is what we're going to be talking about. So I do have some videos that kind of show you some contrasts of different ways that we can enjoy recreation. I think also another really important component that I hope comes through on the virtual learning that I've created for you is really the fact that the recreation industry, the national parks and things like that, they are funded by, in part, the transient occupancy taxes that hotels charge. So when you get through your hotel bill, if you're lucky enough to stay in a hotel, you see the room rate, but then there's all these little taxes, and one of them is transient occupancy tax, which goes directly to funding some of these recreation activities that we're talking about this week. And so I wonder, in the years to come, how this downturn in people staying in hotels is going to impact our national park systems and things like that. So something to think about. Sometimes we think about hospitality as staying in hotels and not some of the other multiplier effects that we talked about last week in the tourism section. So I hope that you'll be thinking about that with a new lens this week. I have made sure that I changed the dates on the midterm. I did notice some people did not do it by the due date, and I really want to make sure that you have an opportunity to do it. So I've extended most due dates to make sure that everyone has a chance to participate, and I really hope that you will do so. And then the final thing is I'm going to put out an announcement, or a discussion, I should say, because I need your feedback on how we can attempt to complete a group project. And I know it's a little more difficult when you don't have interaction with your peers in a normal classroom setting. So be on the lookout for that so that we can get that going. And we just have a couple more weeks of instruction to go. I know that the holidays are coming, and we're trying to figure out all of these challenges that we have right now. So I really appreciate you sticking with the class and giving me such thoughtful insights. I really do enjoy reading your submissions each and every week. So thank you very much, and have a great week.